20, 25th. We are on the house of Peter. We're here to do repair on the shingle. Like you can see right here, to do this repair, this is the shingle, the one is damaged. And also we have another one right here. And the square marks, because that's the shingle we're gonna lift there, so we can remove this shingle. Like you can see right now, I'm gonna start removing the shingle. I'm gonna start removing this shingle so you can see how hard it is, and it's not possible to do the repair. You can come close. This is the shingle, the one is. You see how I'm gonna do that. See. Like you can see right now, I'm doing it carefully, but if you see the camera, the mat transfer, the shingles, this one, it's damaged by removing, because for the glue this one, and then that's why it's not possible to repair. And I wish I can repair it, but this shingle it's not. And also, if we see with another top, that's the same thing. You see that it's transfers and mess up the shingle, and that's why it's not possible to do the repair on these shingles. It's a sealed. And imagine if I'm damaged this shingle, now I'm gonna damage this shingle, and then I gotta replace it like this one here. I gotta remove the ridge band so I can repair this shingle. You can get the camera close. This is the shingle. You see, that's wind damage. And I came here today to show you it's not possible to do a repair on this roof, because like this one gotta remove the ridge band. When I'm removing the ridge band, it's a lot of nails right here, and it's gonna damage the other side of the slope. And also here on the valley, on the valley we don't attempt repairs. This is the damage here. This is the shingle damage. This one is tied into it. Gotta remove part of this, and then if I remove it, I gotta install icing wire shield, and the icing wire shield comes on 36 inches, and it gotta be 18 inches on this side and 18 inches on this side. So I gotta remove it. It's not way to how we can repair this one. If you have another method, so maybe you can come one day here and then show me, or I don't know, because you know I'm professional on my job, but I'm not gonna repair this because I'm gonna damage more shingles, and I cannot do that.